Hello, my name is Kendrick. I am opening a Skullpanda. Right now we are at Momofuku. Show them around 360. And I'm gonna tell you I have this box. I bought 3 of them. Of all of the options, I don't want the pink one. I hate the pink bitch. I always get her every single fucking time. Let's see what this is.
We're rooting for pink, 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 pink. Pink, 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 pink. Pink, pink. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can I have it if you have 3 of them now?
I have 3 of them.
No, you have 2 of these.
Oh my god, dude. I can't escape this bitch.
You have the other one.
Huh?
Oh my
Is this the one you didn't want?
No, I got the very first one I got with y'all. It's this one. I keep getting her.
And you want Kendrick might as well just spend that $27 on slots. It would have been a better move.
Is it the same one? It's a different one.
It's the one on the harp.
It's a different pink bitch.
But it's still a big
There's a lot of, you know that, right?
I know.
So he got the Kung Hu
I have
or
3
Kung
pink
Hao.
bitches now.
There's 4. You know there's 4 of them.
Huh?
There's 4 of them.
I'm collecting all of them. I got all the pink bitches now.
He got the pink.
Wait, you don't have much.
The
You
pink.
don't have much space in your room. Where do you keep these?
The what?
You don't have that much space in your room. Where do you display these?
Go ahead, Mr. Huck. What are you opening up first?
I'm opening up this Naruto Villains one from Pop Mart. Yes. Yo, I got the shark guy.
The what? Sorry, I don't watch Naruto.
You don't watch Naruto?
I don't watch that much anime. I have mad respect for it. Oh, interesting.
Not bad. I wanted the one on the box, but not my luck this time.
That's okay. It's all good. Gambling, but you still win something.
Hello, this is Molly. I'm gonna open her. Okay, I want this sweet bread. There is heart-to-heart toast. Let's go hot dog, pickable burger, soft punch, elegant waffle, croissant, afternoon tea, baker or gardener, yummy bread shoes. Ew, what the fuck is that? Taiyaki princess. Hey, she's kind of killing it over here, right here. This is shit. And then crocodile bread. I think I want this little taiyaki princess, but I don't want these yummy bread shoes right here.
Watch you get the yummy red shoes.
Please not yummy bread shoes.
Pinky, bitch. Pinky. No, just kidding.
I have one more.
Okay, let's see what this is. What is this?
I don't know. You gotta take it out. Is that the secret?
No, it's not. It's heart-to-heart toast. This is not what I wanted.
It's still cute.
I'm gonna do my Demon Slayer one. Demon Slayer Funko Pop box. I don't really care which one I get. It's been a long day, you know? Has the word pop in it.
Silicate's keeping it dry.
Let's see what we get. I got the MC! Not bad.
Dope.
Got
Cool.
the main character.
Look, it's pretty good.
Let me see.
Rude.
Not bad. Main character again.
Later. We went to the new Pop Mart at Planet Hollywood. Sold out just about everywhere. But I either want the secret or darkness. I like all of them. Or Prinky Peanut. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Don't look at the card. Which one do you think I got? I got Chomp, the girl in the box. She has a little chompy dog. It's hella cute. These are hella cute. These were like going crazy in Shanghai. Hell, everywhere sold out. Even Hong Kong sold out. Oh my god, they're hella cute. Can you move the eyes? Sort of.
I didn't get the Naruto one I wanted, but this guy's still pretty cool. I wanted his partner in it.
This is my first one for this one. Pin for Love. I either want a J or K. Why can't it be like a blue? I'm a J, bruh. There we go. Oh, and I forgot, these are the drawstring bags. It's hella cute. Ooh, the lavender one. I forgot what M stands for. don't remember. But just as M. But I think there are names for them. Whatever. But it's my first little one. So cute. I'm gonna squish her up a little bit though. There we go. Ta-da!
Unboxing the Mickey Childhood of Boundless Imagination. So I have a couple of selections here. I have a donut Mickey, a snack bucket Mickey, I have a marshmallow Mickey, a vending machine Mickey. Ooh, this one's cool. Wait, if I open this and it's a vending machine, can you give it to me? Honey bread Mickey, beverage Mickey, volcano cake Mickey, ice cream Mickey, white chocolate Mickey, rainbow hard candy Mickey, cake Mickey, Tito's. I'm gonna open my thing from here. Okay, if it's a vending machine Mickey, I'm taking this.
I want the secret.
Okay. Dun 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 dun.
Spaz.
Dun 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 dun. I need to open it.
I know what it is.
You're not supposed to look at it. Dun 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 dun. Ew, I hate this one. You can take this one, Justin.
Volcano cake Mickey.
You take it, Justin. I don't want this one. I want the vending machine one. He's kind of cute. Why is he laying like that, though?
He's sitting.
No, he's not. His back is up against the ceiling. He's ready for something.
I haven't done a Labubu in a good minute.
Let's do the Labubu.
I kind of want to go back and get another Labubu too. Yeah. Ooh, have you seen my Labubu? No, I mean my boyfriend. He's holding my Labubu because he is my Labubu. Oh my god, I love it. Love it.